Next, I want to talk about the unit normal vector. This is going to be a vector that's orthogonal to the tangent vector. So it will be orthogonal to our unit tangent vector t. This vector is denoted by n, and it's the derivative of the unit tangent vector. Since we want this to be a unit vector, we also need to divide by the length of the derivative so that we have this in terms of unit. So once we have our unit tangent vector, we can take its derivative and find that length to find our unit normal vector. As an example, let's consider the vector t, 2 cosine t, 2 sine t. In the previous video, we found the unit tangent vector to be 1 over the square root of 5, negative 2 over the square root of 5 times sine t, 2 over the square root of 5 times cosine t. To find our unit normal vector, we need to start by taking the derivative of this. The derivative of 1 over the square root of 5 is 0. The derivative of negative 2 over the square root of 5 times sine of t will be negative 2 square root of 5 times cosine t. Then the derivative of 2 over the square root of 5 times cosine t will be negative 2 over the square root of 5 sine t. We now need the length of this vector. This comes from the square root of. Squaring the first component just gives us 0. We then need to square negative 2 over the square root of 5 cosine t plus negative 2 over the square root of 5 sine t. When we do this, we end up with 4/5 cosine squared t plus 4/5 sine squared t. Factoring out the 4/5, I can rewrite this as 4/5 times cosine squared t plus sine squared t. And we know that cosine squared t plus sine squared t is 1. So this is the square root of 4/5, or 2 over the square root of 5. So my unit normal vector will take my derivative of t prime and divide by 2 over the square root of 5, or multiply by square root of 5 over 2. That makes this 0, negative cosine t, negative sine t.
If you would like to see Professor Pierce make more videos like this one, you can support her on Patreon in the link below. Any and all support means a lot to her. It allows her not only to make more videos, but it also allows her to campaign for free and accessible online education to conferences and other universities. Thank you for watching, and remember, math is for everyone.